Hello, hello, and welcome back. Today I am doing the Happy Planner vertical for the week of, I almost said August, for the week of February 8th through the 14th. So let's get started. The products that I used these are stickers from Stickabilities. And then also I took some boxes out of the Stay Wild Happy Planner book. And then I also used the Happy Memory Keeping book for the holidays. And the washi that I'm using is washi from this. And what did I just do to it? Oh, here it is. I'm going to be using this washi. I think that'll look good. I was going to use the Valentine's Day washi, one of these, any of these. However, I think because the spread has so much red in it, I think the black contrast will look really good with it. So let's get started and put the washi down. Let me see, I just got this, so it's brand new. Oh, and I need to get my little, wait a minute. I can't believe how fast time is going. I mean, it's insane. We got a snowstorm yesterday, and it's still snowing now. I'm so excited. They called off work. They called off school. So it's nice. I was able to get a lot of stuff done. This is some of that washi tape. I don't know if I mentioned it in my last haul. I may have not, because I didn't buy it at the same time as the other washi. Oops. Okay, that's good. That's really cute. It's like the chevron. Well, I don't know if it's so much a chevron pattern as it is a bunch of like arrows. I don't think I've ever, as many times as I've gone to Michael's or Joann's, I don't think I've ever seen this. And then just one day I walked in, just curious to see if they had any books that I haven't seen before. And this was on the shelf and it was on sale, and I thought, let me grab it. All right, let's do this. Okay, it already looks good. So it took me the longest time to plan out this spread. So I hope you guys like it a lot. First thing I'm going to do is line this up. This isn't straight. What I did is there was writing on here and I blacked it out with a marker. Otherwise I wouldn't have been able to use what I wanted to use. Okay, let me lift this up. I put the pieces together because I was planning it out. I want to line it up to these little dots so I know that it's straight. Oh gosh, I wrinkled it. Let's fix that. I am struggling here, you guys. Here we go. There's just a tiny little wrinkle in there. Actually, let's just take this apart because this is going to cause me a headache. All right, and see, I wanted to put this on there, but there was too much white underneath. So that looks cute. And I added this little sticker prior to. And then down here, I was going to use my template, but my template, I just decided to use wax paper today. The last time I used the template, the stickers, it was kind of hard to get the stickers up. So, let me see. All right. I think I can pull all of this up at the same time. Let's line up the sweetheart, and then that'll line everything else up. Will that line it up? Nope. I want to make sure it's straight. Otherwise, it's going to drive me crazy. All right. Isn't that cute so far? All right, let me see where this goes. Goes right there. And I layered a lot of stickers, like all of this is layered. I think it turned out pretty cute. So I hope you like it also. All right, so that's that part. Now we need the second side. Let's go ahead and get this I Love Weekends in there. Okay, that'll go right here. I love Valentine's Day. I know a lot of people hate it, but I think it's just a sweet, sweet. Maybe it's because of all the hearts and the red and the pinks. And those are my favorite colors. Maybe that's why. This is looking so cute, you guys. Let's get this guy down here. And for this guy, I added the Be Mine and of course the sticker. We are almost done. On this one sticker that I'm about to put down, this had a lot of layering. Oh. Feeling loved. Okay. All right. So even though it took me almost an hour to figure this out by myself, how much time did it take me now? 10 minutes. Incredible. Anyway, so, I'm so pleased with this. And I think that washi just added to it and tied it all together. So here you go. Let's bring it up so that you can see it. And there you go. It's my Valentine's Day spread for 2021. I hope you guys have a great week. Take care.